Good morning, students. Today we learn algorithm and some points in this chapter. First is what is algorithm. Second is characteristics of algorithm and design method. First is we teach what is algorithm. An algorithm can be thought of as the detailed instructions for carrying out some operation in a computer program. This instruction take the form of program statements. For most data structure you must know how to do the following. The first step, insert a new data item, search for specific items, delete a specific items. An algorithm is a finite set of instruction that if followed accomplish a particular task. An input to an algorithm specifies an instance of the problem. An algorithm can be specify a natural language or a pseudocode language. Algorithm can implemented as computer program. There are some characteristics of algorithms. First is input. There are zero or more quantities which are externally supplied. Second is output, at least one quantity is produced. And second is definiteness, each instruction must be clear and ambiguous. Next is fitness, the algorithm terminates after a finite number of steps. Next is efficiency, every instruction must be very basics. And last is unambiguity, an algorithm must be expressed in a fashion that is completely free or ambiguity. What is the method of design method? Which method is design method? First is understanding the problem. Second is ascertaining the capabilities of computational devices. Next is choosing between exact and approximate problem solving. Next is deciding the appropriate data structure. Next is algorithm design techniques. And next is method of specifying an algorithm. Next is proving an algorithm's correctness. Next, analyzing an algorithm. And last is coding an algorithm. The first step is understanding the problem. We seen that the last lecture what is the understanding the problem. And program, reading the problem description carefully, ask questions and clarify the doubts arise in the problem. Do some examples and the think about specific cases. Here we can see the one example of algorithm addition of two numbers. Here we describe this problem in some steps. First basic steps is start, second step is read ab, these two are the input, and third step is the add the value of a with b and store the result in c, and last step is display c, and last step is stop. Thank you.